Upgrading to new windows in your Covington home can be one of the most impactful and cost-effective home improvement decisions you make. Whether you're looking to increase the curb appeal of your home, improve energy efficiency, or enhance security, new windows provide numerous benefits that go beyond just their appearance. If your current windows are outdated, inefficient, or simply no longer serving their purpose, it's time to consider making the switch. Here are the key advantages of upgrading to new windows in Covington. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the most significant benefits of upgrading to new windows is the improvement in energy efficiency. Older windows, especially single-pane models, tend to allow drafts, heat loss, and air leakage, making it harder to regulate your home's indoor temperature. This results in higher energy bills as your heating and cooling systems work harder to maintain comfort. Modern windows, especially those with double or triple glazing and low emissivity glass coatings, provide superior insulation, which helps keep your home comfortable year-round. These windows reduce heat transfer in the winter by trapping warm air inside, and in the summer, they block the sun's heat, preventing your air conditioning from working overtime. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you can lower your utility bills and reduce your carbon footprint, making your home more eco-friendly. Increased curb appeal. Upgrading your windows can drastically improve your home's curb appeal. Windows are one of the most visible features of your home's exterior, and when they become worn or outdated, they can make your entire property look tired and neglected. By installing new, modern windows, you immediately enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. Whether you choose sleek casement windows, expansive picture windows, or classic double-hung windows, new windows will refresh your home's appearance, making it look more modern, polished, and inviting. If you're considering selling your home, new windows can increase its value by attracting potential buyers who are looking for updated, energy-efficient homes. Improved comfort and insulation. New windows can significantly improve the comfort inside your home. Older windows often have poor insulation and can lead to cold spots in the winter or excessive heat during the summer. This fluctuation in temperature can make your living environment uncomfortable and force you to rely heavily on your HVAC system. Modern windows are built with better insulation, reducing the risk of drafts and hot or cold spots. This allows for a more consistent indoor temperature, making your home feel more comfortable year-round. Additionally, high-quality windows with low E-coatings and argon gas fills between the panes improve insulation, making your home more comfortable and reducing the need for constant temperature regulation. Increased home security. Upgrading to new windows can also improve the security of your home. Older windows often have outdated locks and mechanisms that are easy to bypass, leaving your home vulnerable to intruders. Modern windows, however, come with advanced security features such as multi-point locks, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant glass, making it harder for potential burglars to break in. By investing in new windows, especially impact-resistant windows, you can enhance your home's security, making it a safer place for you and your family. These features also provide added peace of mind, knowing that your home is better protected against forced entry. Reduced maintenance. Older windows often require more frequent maintenance to keep them in working condition. Wooden windows, for example, are prone to rotting, peeling, and warping, while metal frames can corrode over time. These issues require constant upkeep to ensure that the windows continue to perform effectively. By upgrading to new windows made from durable materials such as vinyl or fiberglass, you can reduce the amount of maintenance needed. These materials are resistant to weather damage, rot, and fading, and they require minimal cleaning and care. This means you can spend less time maintaining your windows and more time enjoying your home. Noise reduction. If you live in a busy area, whether it's near a main road or in a densely populated neighborhood, external noise can be a major issue. Traditional windows often fail to block out noise, allowing unwanted sounds to enter your home. This can disrupt your peace and quiet, especially during the night when you're trying to rest. Upgrading to new, soundproof windows can significantly reduce the amount of noise that enters your home. Many modern windows feature multi-pane glass and specialized seals that block out sound, creating a quieter and more peaceful living environment. Whether you're trying to block traffic noise, noisy neighbors, or the hum of the city, new windows can help create a more serene space. Long-term saving. While new windows come with an upfront cost, the long-term savings make them a smart investment. Not only will you save on your monthly energy bills due to better insulation and energy efficiency, but you'll also reduce the wear and tear on your HVAC system, which can extend its lifespan and reduce maintenance costs. Additionally, new windows can increase your home's value, providing a return on investment if you decide to sell. Homebuyers are often willing to pay more for homes with modern, energy-efficient windows that promise long-term savings on utilities and fewer immediate repairs. Conclusion. Upgrading to new windows in Covington offers a wide range of benefits for homeowners, from improved energy efficiency and enhanced comfort to increased curb appeal and better security. Whether you're looking to reduce your energy bills, improve your home's appearance, or protect your family, new windows provide long-term value and comfort. With numerous styles, materials, and energy-efficient options available, residential window replacement can be a transformative investment that enhances your home's functionality, aesthetic, and value for years to come.